what sparked my interest in being a Yamaha technician is my dad used to race when he was younger, and he actually rode Yamahas. And then when we got new bikes, he got us all Yamahas, and then we just carried on from there and then got into working on them.
I started in the motorcycle trade when I was 16 years old at Highway Yamaha as just general cleaning and stuff like that.
It all started with a passion for motorcycles. Came from the car industry, left the car industry because I had zero passion and I knew my passion was motorcycles. And then on top of that, I am half Japanese and I do carry a passion for the Japanese brands.
I have a passion for vintage motorcycles, and that led to an apprenticeship, which eventually led to an apprenticeship with WBA Yamaha in Echuca.
Starting off sweeping the floors and emptying the bins, it was like built some good work ethic, so then I had like a good understanding of how I should do stuff and not do stuff, and attention to detail. And so then when it started working on bikes, a lot of it transferred over.
I've got one service advisor below me, one apprentice, and 3 mechanics and a TA. We've got a great team.
When I got the news to represent one of the two Kiwis at the Oceania Tech Grand Prix, I was very honoured to hear that I was one of the chosen ones to go and represent.
I was excited, but I couldn't believe that I actually got in. I had a junior before in the last Grand Prix, and I told him, pushed him along to go onto it, and I thought, well, I was pushing him onto it there, why wouldn't I have a go?
Today has been kind of what I expected. It's been a lot harder because you're like put on the spot a lot more.
What I'd like to get out of today is probably the experience of it all, and learning from other technicians and seeing their viewpoints and how they tackle challenges that are presented before them.
I like to say I'm doing really good, but yeah, I'm not too sure.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this magnificent venue here at Taronga Zoo. What do you think of it? View of the harbour, lights out, Yamaha all across it. Beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm glad that you enjoy. Firstly, once again, I'd like to congratulate all the contestants today. Hopefully now you're a little bit more relaxed and just sitting back. No more questions, no more,
Each morning when I wake up and I put the Yamaha shirt on and I go to work, I know that I've got a sense of belonging somewhere and to something bigger in the motorcycle world.
I can ring another technician somewhere in another shop if I had a concern back in the time when I was a junior, and he'd help me out there. There's a lot of good people in the motorcycle trade.
It's just a big family brand. Like, they cater for little kids on little bikes all the way up to older kids on the bikes, like weekend riders on the road.
I know that, like on my enduro bike, I can go out and I'll get back. I've got a road bike, I've always, Yamaha as well.
Just a really good reputation within the motorcycling world. The advice I'd give to aspiring young techs would probably be to
start off with the very basics and then work your way up, and then if you get stuck, don't be afraid to ask. Like, you're not going to get your head bitten off. And
Find a workshop that is really hands-on. Even I had the advice of maybe finding a lawnmower business where you would really work on pistons and little engines, and you get a good understanding of everything, how everything works.
I would say take every opportunity that you can to learn off the people around you. A lot of people like myself have got a lot to give in knowledge to those people, and we can teach them a lot. I'd encourage anyone to come along and have a go at it there, It's not about winning, sometimes it's just about having a go.
Oh, the hospitality it's just been amazing, and obviously myself coming from New Zealand, I haven't been in Sydney since I've been 5 years old, so it's been a wonderful time. Learned a lot in the Tech GP, just different processes, and then just talking amongst the other competitors.
I think I done pretty well yesterday in the competition.
Don't really know how I went yesterday, but I think I went okay for the first time.
I think I did really well for my first time, so I was happy about that. And then today we had a bit more of a relaxed day. Went for the walk up the Sydney Harbour Bridge, come back and had something to eat, gone to the Wax Museum.
Hope to be back another time and compete again.
I'd like to come back in the future if the opportunity presents. We'll see how we go. It's 2 years away, but yeah, I'd be happy to come back, have another go. Reckon I'd do better next time.